them people to come back to watch it. Do, 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 do. Hello, Veri. Hello, Evia. Still sorry for my voice. Oh my god. that's the loading screen he's watching. Hello, I'm the small Snuggly, and we're going to unbox Big Snuggly today. And that's well, that can finally have his friend back. So cute. Boop. Get booped by Belle. Get booped by Snuggly. Get booped by Tama. It's weird. Can I tab out on here and put a link on the Dutch Angel Dragon group? That'd be weird. I don't know. So, okay, again, we have our co-guests today.
No.
No! Okay, it's just a blanket, I'm sorry. And our other co-guest is this thing here.
Hi.
Hi. And we have Bonsai today. Yes. Hello, Bonsai.
Hey.
Be careful. Don't stumble up over Snuggly. And yeah. Yeah. Step over. Move.
Oh.
Sit. Good boy. So yeah, I still have to figure out where to put this thing. Possibly here. I didn't prepare at all, I admit. Maybe this? Like this? So yeah. Or you have two hands, right?
Yeah.
You have to tell me what the comments say.
I will read the comments and film the video.
Maybe I have something in my bag.
Oh, I need to get further back. Ugh. Sorry. I'm just now holding two hands with one... Two phones with one hand. And filming with both of them.
Smokey loves suits, by the way.
Das Problem ist, dass mit dem Filmer, das ist viel zu groß.
Hey.
Das zoomt voll, weißt du? Das ist ein iPhone. Das, wir müssen das irgendwie herstellen.
Warte, wenn
Smokey.
ja, dass ich bin jetzt gerade was dran am Zimmer basteln, damit ich es anstellen kann.
Not possible. We have to put you down, peeps.
No, what?
Hello, Xilion. Because with this, I have to get further back to film.
Okay, and what we're doing?
Because this is an iPhone and this zooms pretty far.
What we're doing?
We're waiting a second to put you down. Sorry, peeps, we need to put you down.
Put you down
Maybe.
like kill him.
Yes.
That's my box.
Maybe.
Go away.
Warte, kannst du den Hase ein bisschen moven? Wenn man es wieder her ist.
Oh, skunk weg.
Das ist nicht so bekannt. So ist der Tischkante im Bild. So
We have to
gut.
prepare. We're
Genau
not
so.
prepared at all. You good? Is it good? With the yeah, that's good. Thomas behind you staring.
Nein, das ist so. Ja. Warte. Ich habe das. Das wird.
So, ja, das geht. Oha.
Like,
Wow, it works.
On the armor.
It works.
Dann sende ich nochmal.
Why?
Take that phone in
Around
the
like
hand.
Superman, getting out of his suit. I'm just wearing a suit so I can get in.
Perfect.
A suit. Wait a minute.
3 years
Okay,
of
until here, here's the bottom, here's the top.
Hello.
Yeah, exactly.
You really should see how this looks.
And the bottom is here.
That.
Okay. So people can see.
Exactly, yeah, perfect. And now I'm also filming.
You good?
Yep.
Is it going? Let's start. First of all, I've waited a whole year for this, and I'm excited like a little kid on Christmas Eve for the first time. Yeah, and I actually can't believe this is true. Like, my brain can't handle that shit. And first of all, that's really cute. Thanks, Shane. And it says, "Be kind, one of a kind item inside." So cute. Sadly, UPS or whoever transported this doesn't care that much, actually.
Smoking, no.
Smokey. Sorry, he's just sexually harassing my friend over there. Stop. Get tired. And yeah, it's funny. It's like with Tama, I don't know where to start because the package looks like this. But I think it's just cut open on top. I hope it's the right way around. And I hope those two guys are not doing any weird shit behind my back.
No.
Yeah. And we're just gonna open this gently. Like with brute force. Gently. And...
You need a knife.
No. Keep that knife. I want to do it with scissors. I'm so freaking nervous. I hope people can't tell. Holy shit. Maybe we should start from here. People are probably going like face palm over this. Stop.
What?
You're not innocent, you know that?
We are.
No. Oh, it's more tape. Good. Oh god, I can't. I'm dying. Where do we start? I think that's the head. We're gonna do the head last, like that's furry tradition, I guess. Wait. What is what? Super squishy. Ah, I think that's my padding. Let's start with the padding. And then we go with the body, and then we go with the head. Oh my god, I can't see my feet. So, start with padding. I still have to figure out how that works. Oh my god, it's fuzzy. Yeah, I think padding, not something so special. Let's put this over here. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god, I feel so dead. No, don't look at me. Don't.
We don't look at you, we stare at you.
I put him away for it. No. It's so big. That's what she said.
If it's not fun, you have to leave. It wasn't fun.
Oh my god. Oh god, it's huge. I have to stay down here so you see. Actually see, I have to put the box right over here.
You have 1 more meter above you.
Huh?
You have 1 more meter above you.
Meter?
1 Meter.
Good, I'm small, right? Oh my god, the feet are heavy. What the hell? My tail.
Shant the Fox is writing, you lucky floofer.
Huh?
Shant the Fox is writing, you lucky floofer.
I'm a lucky floofer. Yes, I am. I'm the happy. Oh my god, look at my feet. This is big and squishy. I'm gonna try and pull this up so you can see. Oh my god, it's so, like, when you see it on pictures, that's one thing. But seeing it in real life, that's like the whole other thing. I'm so small.
You're too big for my camera.
I'm too big. I hope people still see
Yeah.
it. Huh? Can they still see it? Like I turn it around? No?
Yeah, they can see it.
Oh my god. And that's my little feathers.
This is a streaming setup.
They're a bit squished. Streaming setup?
On my camera they can see everything.
Ah, Okay, they're like posable. So if you're funny, you can make a little bow in them, I guess. Oh my god. I can't. And my tail. What you doing?
Nothing.
Oh my god, I think I just put it over here so for you to see. Oh my wings! So cute. I'm sorry you can't.
Squeak.
Squeak! Already squeaking. I put it on the blanket so it's like the door is super dirty.
The floor.
The door, the floor,
The door.
the door,
The door.
the door.
The door.
This people throwing this just on the floor. And yeah, can they see me?
Yeah, your face to the camera. Now they can't see you. Now they can again.
I'm going back to my box here.
You're making it way difficult for me.
Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. I guess the hand paws are like in the head.
Like every suit.
Every suit ever. Wait, she gave me a brush as well. Oh my god, I can't. I'm trying not to go look at him and just pull out the hand paws first. We're gonna make this like super, like in those movies, special and oh my god, special. My god. I'm sorry. It's like it's freaking Higurumi. Hello.
That spicy pork is writing, oh my god, it's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Oh my, it's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! It's like despicable me, right? Like, oh my god, like, poofy.
The complete audience can be happy that this isn't sugar. Otherwise they would get instant diabetes.
Are you ready? I'm totally not. Oh, it's already there. It's already there. Hello! Oh my god, my baby. Oh, it's so perfect. Right, yeah, it's like the tongue is posable, like I can put it here. Or I have to try it over there, and it's so, oh my god, oh my god. What you think? Boop. Boop. No, don't rip it out. Oh my god. It's like, I can't handle this day. Oh my god. It's like, look at the ears. Well, I think you know what's going to come next, right? But I probably gonna go around the camera so people don't have to see me failing to putting on the padding and everything. This is like my first time wearing a full suit.
Could dance for the camera.
Huh?
You could dance for the camera.
Yeah, we put Bonsai in front of the camera to dance for you, so you're entertained while I'm trying to fail on putting on the suit. And I got a nice brush as well. And I have to thank Jaden 1,000 times for this. And I don't know, like, if I ever going to meet you, you'll probably die me hugging you for this. Because, like, I don't know, this means the world to me. Because I made Snuggly, like, when I lost everything in my life and started all over, and I don't know. It, like, I don't know, I can't handle it. Oh my god. You like him too?
Overlone Road,
Up
Snuggly
left.
looks so nice and happy. Shined the Fox Road, haha, Overlone, long time no see.
Yeah, we just put this here. And let's try to put it on. And while we're doing that, you're just gonna watch Bonsai dancing for you, I guess.
Ja. Warte, lass mich deine Füße rein. Ja, einfach.
Ah, warte noch.
Warte.
Lass mich zuerst.
Ja,
Lass mich zuerst.
jetzt kannst du an. So. Was mache ich jetzt? Oder schon weg? Ah, ja, gut. Gut. Los.
Oh god, you're filming this, right? Yeah, okay, for the video it's good. I don't want to leave it on the floor. Smoky 9.
Dasselbe Problem wie mit Fursuit.
Sit on the
Die
floor.
Lampe im Bild.
Okay?
Don't kill the poor fox!
String setup.
Yeah, you just sit there and do cute shit. That's good. That's very good. Yeah. That's why we have striptease for the camera. Stop. I hope I can chirp because like my voice is so cracking down and I feel like, oh baby, turn the lights down low or something like that. Just need to get that balaclava. Whee!
You could have said something and I would throw it at you, but okay.
Throw it to me is never a good idea. I can't catch
I
it.
could throw it in your face so you definitely know what's going on.
In your face! I don't say the B word on camera, I guess.
Beans.
Beans.
Because you have definitely... Bonsai, sit back. Sit back.
Oh yeah.
The only thing
Do you want Interstellar again?
Don't feed him, Belle.
Oh no!
Huh?
Das war Stuttgart. Close.
Please don't throw over the camera.
Sie ist schon fast dunkel.
Oh my god. Look. So. Muss ich nur noch irgendwie klarkommen, wie man das anzieht. It's my first fursuit, I have no idea. So it's like a shame. Like all the dots. Oh my god. Trying to find my way in my foot.
Do you know the way?
No, I don't, I guess. Oh my god! My feet are so fluffy! What is going on? Am I in?
Yeah, well, we can't tell you that.
Am I in? No, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna try and... Maybe my hand can help. Don't kill the setup!
It's already destroyed.
No, is he sitting in the box?
Box.
Freaking fox boxes. Box boxes.
What's this?
Fox boxes.
Box.
Okay. What?
I'm so ashamed. I don't know. I can't find my foot. Oh my god.
You need help.
I'm trying. I'm trying. It's so funny, Jaden had to get her friend to wear the suit because she wouldn't fit in. I guess I'm such a small person. Squeeze.
So fluff.
Ow.
Now the stream setup is empty.
Why?
Everybody left.
Did my entertainment leave?
Yeah. The entertainment services were overused.
No. Could be less people.
I'm doing my best. I'll be back.
Well, 7 people.
Yeah, I'll be back soon. I just have to figure out how this works. I guess you stick it in here. I hope I get it right. Like, I see Jaden already shaking the head. Like, what the fuck is she doing? She has no idea.
Well, nobody can see you right now, so...
Well, they can.
No. No. Your cell phone stands here, facing Bonsai.
Ich mach nur das Aftercard-Video.
Hm? Du machst was?
Das Video, wo immer noch da ist.
I hope this is correct.
Where you're only showing your butt to the camera.
Is it good? Do you like it? Oh my god.
I can use Zoom too if you wanted.
Lul.
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 Bambuselt.
Oh my
Like
god.
a T-Rex with 2 small hands.
Can you help me?
I can help. I'm the one filming and the other one has a suit on. Songbird,
With
help is needed.
Oh my god.
how can I help you?
I don't know. Get this up.
It doesn't look bad. Is it too small?
Nah.
No.
No.
Du musst nur gleich 10 Kilo zählen.
Yes. But it looks like...
Das ist halt eng.
Yeah. It's really tight.
What?
So.
Cracking noises.
Should I close it?
Give me a sec. I don't know, is the padding right?
Wait, let's get the shit out of the way. Yeah, it looks good.
Oh my god.
Can I close it?
Yeah, but be careful.
Yeah. Don't worry, it's not the first
First.
time I'm doing such a thing. You can ask Bonsai. I just did it like 20 minutes ago.
They're writing in the chat. Zukush, this is so exciting, makes me remember the day I got mine. I'm working on mine, it looks great but need the help. I love myself. Overlord Wolf, whose tail will be fluffier? Bonsais or Snugglies? Tail wars is gonna start in 5 minutes.
Let's put first the glove on, so I won't...
Well, I would
So-
Da
say
hätte Kiki selber
Bonsais is
arbeiten.
way fluffier,
but so I
but we
won't
don't know who's longer.
get... So does it all it.
Shanty Fox is also
Ja,
from Bonsai.
Nein, ich meine, da vorne.
One vote
So.
Das
is
muss noch
already.
dazu, aber ich habe Angst, dass es nicht heucheln.
I can't handle it. Was nicht? Du ist jetzt einfach mal hinten an. Hm? Das klappt schon so.
Ja, du weißt, wie du so schaut. Aber jetzt offensichtlich, so jetzt mal.
Das ist bei der rasierten Stellen immer. Ja, ich muss immer noch in der Füße, bin ich nicht ganz dünn nach unten.
This is the fluffy is umziehen break time. Break time.
Do some cute stuff. You have to be cute.
Oh.
You ain't cute. Ja, tun das also zusammen.
Ja.
Shanty Fox is writing emojis with hearts as eyes.
Jetzt klingt so, jetzt.
Shanty Fox. Illy, now whoever said my name, it was right. Usually people pronounce it wrong.
So. What?
Skivers is telling, Skivers is the one talking. Also the one filming.
Ja gut, das wird der Headshot.
I'm responsible for the stream and also my phone filming every other stuff.
So unbeweglich.
But it looks good.
Looks good. Oh my god, today. The day of the truth.
Shan, I feel you.
The moment.
My name is always getting pronounced wrong.
Skuvas.
Don't. Oh my god. It's a beautiful girl. And one of us son is bigger than us.
Huh?
The hair.
You're taller than us.
You have to cut your hair, to be honest. It looks
Just put it in the bag. I'm so freaking nervous.
No, you look good, darling. Darling. Just don't look otherwise. Don't look down.
Overalone, I wish I had my headphones because I would love to hear everyone, but sadly I lost my headphone jack for my iPhone.
Live much of that.
Giant Fox, we're together in this. Yes, we are, totally.
You stand straight and...
And Overalone, rip.
I don't look down. Nothing. It's just...
Wait.
Hm?
My Bonsai can't wait it.
Sind sie verdreht?
Ja. Fixing. Ich habe so kurz geschaut, als wäre es eine abgerissen im Grund. But now it looks fine, kind of.
So difficult to get you into one frame on my video.
Warte, ja jetzt. Warte, ABC-Motion, ja. Zieht das Ding ab und dann der Ärmel drüber.
Ja, ich versuche.
Immer den Ärmel drüber.
And why there's such a toony suit and then me with my realistic...
This is the camera.
Well.
Where is the... If we do it, then we do it right.
Where's my tail?
It's here.
It's huge.
Yes.
Humongous.
And you look good.
Yeah!
Stream.
Wait,
Finally.
Wait,
Persons arrives. So...
Warte schnell, ich bin am Sack gewesen. Oh je, ich glaube, ich habe leider noch beim Fuß. Warte schnell. Kann ich meinen Fuß kurz halten? Der linke.
Ja.
Nur halten. Weird, egal was.
Kan ik had iets willen doen? Dan doe ik. Nou,
Oh
ik wil
my
dit zo
god,
snel hebben
oh
dan.
my god.
So let's get everything out of the way for the audience.
Break the darkness.
You can come.
I'm not used to having to.
You need help? Wait. Hair is looking out. You need to cut your hair. Help.
Help. Hello. I'm just gonna break character for this stream.
You need to get further back.
Further back.
Further,
Yeah,
further,
further.
further, further. Now they can see you.
Yeah.
Oh, look at my tail. Oh, that's so good. Hello. I hope everything is right.
Tuko is writing, so cute, Overalone, Snuggly's alive, Avier, emojis with hearts as eyes. And Shant wants a hug.
We all want.
Bonsai, the first person to get hugged by Snuggly. Well, the first. Overalone is writing so adorable.
Oh.
And now, cameraman. Ah, why so goofy?
That's so fucking
Thanks.
So jetzt Fenster kipp. A bit.
So cool. Evia kann die F24 nicht mehr warten.
Willkommen im Club.
Mhm. Das wird humongous. 1 Milliarde Frozen. Now everything they can't see is your head and your feet. Could you put Bella on your shoulder? Overlone is writing.
I do that first. It won't hold at all. So if you don't move it, holds.
Well, it's only holding on there if it doesn't move.
Yeah.
Huge peats. They can only see your belly if you're standing this close. Verikane is writing, ich sehe da rote Haare. Yeah, they're sticking out of the suit in the front.
You need to cut your hair. Seriously, you need to cut your hair. Or get them together.
Okay, it's just getting fixed off camera because they can't see your head if you're this up high.
Should be better now.
No, it's better. You're way too close to the camera.
Go a bit left, right?
Okay, now it's
Oh,
perfect.
it's good.
Alright, perfect. Playing with the stream camera. No, I'm running out of power, Ruby. Okay, she took the power. Okay, now the stream is in her hands.
Grip.
Too hot. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. Hello guys. Well, I never did a live stream. What I should do next? I'd love to go outside, but
It's wet.
it's wet. Oh my god, it's so cute. Hello. Hello.
Way too close to the camera.
Like,
Smokey is in the way.
I can't handle my feet.
No, it just kicked Smokey. It's okay.
I'm sorry, dog. Dog? Hello? Hello, Smokey. Hello, Boop. Hello? Hello? Yeah, my dog loves suits. That's great. Hello. Oh, God. I can't handle it. So nice.
You tell me if I can stop filming. Half an hour in the video.
I think we're gonna stop here because it's like dark and wet, and I think the next live stream will be like outside in the sun or something. Yeah, I'll probably die there too. But hey, thank you for tuning in. I hope you can understand me. I don't know.
They can.
Can people understand me well?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like I'm gonna break character just for this live stream. You will never hear Snuggly talk again the next time you see it. And yeah, I think we're gonna stop here. And thank you so much for tuning in. And bye, bye, bye. Please press stop, I can't.
Yep.
Where?
Open.
Yes.